You know the video is on, right?
I didn't.
While you're slamming things around. Say hi, honey.
I don't want to say hi.
Say hi.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Say hi, Zoe. Hi guys, Supermom 6. I am coming to you today to do an unboxing slash unpacking slash assembly of this right here, the Urbini Reversi. I have it in the color teal. And shut your mouth. And as you guys saw, I already have the Urbini, what is it called? The Urbini Omni. And this is kind of like an umbrella stroller. It's a lighter version of the stroller that I already have. So let's go ahead and see this one. I'm gonna come over here for better lighting. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you probably weren't supposed to do that.
I thought it was just gonna fall out.
Right. Yeah, you probably thought wrong.
I think I do.
How about we get an instruction booklet?
For what?
Because that's
It's a bloody stroller.
But that's no. But that's exactly why it just fell on the floor.
That's because they didn't have it together.
No, it's because you didn't look at the instructions.
I don't need the instructions.
Oh my god. See, but we're not even mentioning how you just opened that just now.
The little two nozzle things right here.
Oh, that's your instructions.
Yes, look. Look.
Exactly.
Push that up. Look, red tab. Look, ready? Look. Red tab. Two little nipple things.
Nipple?
You push and close. I like this actually. It's actually pretty neat.
Well, we haven't put it together yet.
And then you take it with, boom.
But that's not the stroller. No, give me the book.
I don't want the book.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna figure this out myself.
It's upside down. Why are you opening the canopy?
Canopy. Cover the baby's face under the sun, rain, wind, other elements that Earth likes to throw at us. Bugs.
Bugs? That's not an element.
Did you call it 5-point harness over the top of the shoulders, across the waist, between the legs, keeps the baby secure.
Oh my god, he got that from me.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. No. You just said, what did I call it? You did not know that was a 5-point harness.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
It's like a racing car. You know? Little bob and weave and all that stuff. All right, here we go.
Hi, Ray. He looks mad.
Ray.
Hi, Ray. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Alright, we're gonna figure out how to open this bloody thing.
It's probably opened from the book. It's a button in the back.
I saw that button. I don't think that.
Oh, that probably reclines it. Yeah. See, no, it's buttons on the side right here too.
Oh, nope, that's to let it go.
Oh my god. No, you need to get the booklet.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do, before you break it.
I'm not gonna break it. Okay, let's get the booklet.
Yeah. You think?
Alright. Okay. That's a weird one. I think I like it anymore.
Yes, you do.
Alright, fast forward.
Leave that, Ray.
Blah, blah, blah.
That is not the instructions. I don't remember it ever saying blah, blah, blah.
I'm telling you.
Guys. Guys.
It says blah, 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 1, 2, 3, click, click, click.
I don't believe that.
It does go.
Where does it say the 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah?
1, 2, 3, blah, 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 click, click, click.
That's one click.
No, that's just 2 clicks.
No, it's one click and the other one's in another language.
You know what? You're right.
Oh my gosh.
It doesn't reach. How do you open it?
That's what I'm telling you. Read the directions.
That's just too much to go through.
Taro,
Let's just
say hi, YouTube. Or not.
sit down right there. You read this.
Okay. I shall read.
You figure it out before you get it.
We'll see about that.
I'm gonna try to. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Why? What did you have?
Huh?
What do you have? Sorry. Okay. So what did you do?
I just opened up the bottom. Nope, that still doesn't. This thing seems very wide.
Raiden, put that back.
Oh god. Watch out for. Oh. Bloody, it's humid as shit today.
It is humid. I am trying to. Okay.
This is weird.
Okay. So we figured it out, didn't we?
No kitty boo boo.
Didn't we figure it out?
Yeah, we figured it out.
You were trying to lie again, weren't you?
No, that wasn't a lie. I figured it out.
No, you didn't.
Because obviously the booklet is not helpful.
This is teamwork.
Teamwork.
Chances are that song was wrong.
Anyway, what we figured out.
See, that's why we're married.
What we figured out is the fact that you can't open the stroller up completely first. You have to leave it somewhat, what you want to call it? Somewhat.
Semi-open?
Yeah.
It's not fully open.
So, I would say leave it.
Watch out, boys. I can't see.
Okay, take that inside. Take it inside. Go ahead. I would say leave it like that.
Don't fully put down break the lever in the back.
Take your two little insertion pieces here, and in we go. Snap them in, and then use your foot and snap it in.
That color is so pretty. Now you gotta put the wheels on.
So hold on. I'm not
Oh, you're being rude?
So as I was saying,
Excuse me. Yep, that's the canopy to cover the baby from bugs.
and a window. You can clearly see if your baby's sleeping and enjoying her little ride in nature.
Who says we're gonna be riding in nature?
Well, we're not riding, she's riding. I wish I was riding. Shit. Alright, wheels.
This is such a cute little strolley.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's cute.
It's very cute.
Make sure you got the back wheels on the back and the front wheels on the front.
Does it really matter?
Yeah, it does.
Are you sure? They all look alike.
No, they don't look alike.
Okay, which one gives where? Oh god. What is that? So that's the back. That's the front. Obviously, Zawadi.
I am Super Mom 6. Thank you very
Supermom
much.
6.
Because I'm a super mom. And you're super dad.
Super dad.
You know you like that title.
I don't actually.
It sounds like you have brakes on.
Yeah. I like this little angle though.
The angle of the handles.
Yeah, they look nice. They're comfortable.
And the cup goes right there. Well, the cup holder. Get it together, Dad.
Too much. What the hell is this?
It's, well, I don't know. You didn't read the instructions. That's the cup holder. I don't know what that other thing is.
Yeah, I don't know what this is. How does this go? There you go. Look.
Did it snap or something?
Not yet. There you go.
Okay. That's a cute little cuppy holder.
What in the hell?
I don't know what those are.
Let's just keep these out the video for now.
No, we're not. We need to figure out what they are for other people that have bought it. Get the booklet.
Not in that picture.
Yeah, you're not gonna find what that is.
I have no clue.
Let's see if I can find it real quick.
Look at the boat. Raiden. Look at the boat.
Fishing on it?
See it yet?
Okay, so
You're showing everybody like scenery.
oh, sorry. I'm sorry guys. I have Zari in my lap and I was holding the booklet and all that type of stuff, and as you know, multitasking is something that mothers have to do all the time, so bear with me.
So this is thing made.
But okay, it doesn't go on the stroller right now. That is the attachment for the infant car seat. If you don't want to use that seat for the stroller, you can use a car seat.
So you should keep this in the thing.
Yes, you can take this seat off and you put those two little black pieces that hubby just had in the same slots that we just put the seat in, and that allows you to put an infant car seat
So I think
into
you
this
should give a
stroller.
Demonstration, yeah.
But we don't have a car seat with us right now. But that's pretty much. Okay, back up,
You
baby.
know what? Actually, we don't have to. It's easier
What?
to put it on the way we did it at first,
Uh-huh.
but you don't have to because you stretch it out.
Well, when you first buy it, it's a little
Yeah,
stiff.
It's stiff. It's
So it was easier to do it the way that we did at first until the seat gets stretched out enough. Raiden, watch out, please.
So you're saying which way? No, this way.
Yeah, they would go like that. And then you would just go and slip the car seat into it.
Relax, don't let me get between you.
That's what happens when you work out. You can't fit certain places.
So I guess that's it.
This is a cute stroller though. I like that it has this deep little basket. And then right here it has a zipper where you can open the basket from the side. You can access it from the side. But it's super cute. And I love this color. This color is gorgeous. Let's sit Zari in it real quick.
Yeah, she ain't gonna take that. She don't like strollers.
I also have... Oh, she's being a brat right now. I also have this so that we can add a little bit of pink to her strolley. These are reversible.
She's
Yeah.
so sweet.
She does not look happy to
It looks like an airplane floating device.
be. Okay, let's put her in there real quick and come right back. Okay, so she's in there and fastened in. This one's a little bit loose, but these ones are tight. She hates when I don't hold her, so she's just not happy.
We're gonna be reclining.
But it reclines. Woo! And then when the canopy's open, she's totally shaded from the sun.
Completely.
It's awesome.
Mary.
Oh, shut your
Oh,
mouth.
this cookie. I was talking about the cookie.
Shut up. Say hi. Go and get you guys an Urbini Reversi. I love it.
Me too.
Was that sarcasm?
Not at all. I was looking at the skier.
We are not advertising Lenny and Larry's complete cookie.
Awesome. They are the best cookies on the planet.
That has nothing to do with my stroller.
It doesn't, but I'm just telling you, it is delicious.
Oh, baby. Okay, come here.
I think they need to
Say
pay me.
bye. No.
I think so.
No.
Just broadcasting all over YouTube that these are awesome cookies.
No.
Make it happen, Lenny and Larry.
That's not the birthday cake flavor, though.
Oh, I know. You need to get it.
Okay, baby.